This is Neil Patel, Sparkfun Experiment 2. As you can see, we have our alarm flashing. This photo resistor controls the LED blinking. As you can see, when there's no light detected, the LED is off. When you expose it to the light, it'll come back on, as seen here. Furthermore, this button can interrupt as a reset button, giving a delay of 5 seconds before the cycle starts again of the alarm. Once again, we can interrupt this by blocking off light to the photoresistor. And now we're going to reset it and go through one full cycle where we're going to play the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So here we go. 5-second delay, and here we go. Old MacDonald had